Man, I'm out here in Cape Coral, Florida. I told you where we wanted. Never mind. Look at this beat I done took out the back, boy.
That's 3 tomahawks in one.
It's bigger than your face.
Yeah.
Look at this. What am I eating on? Hey,
Well.
hey, you can take care of this for me?
Yes,
Man,
sir.
put that
Yes,
on the grill,
sir.
please,
We're gonna
big
throw
dog.
this big dog on the grill.
Please.
We eating
Can
here.
you eat this?
Eating,
I
man.
told you Jeff was gonna hold it down.
Eating, boys.
Oh yeah.
Boy, we eating this.
Oh, you see how we coming, Mark?
Man, look. That's how we eat.
Mark, I like mine bloody, baby. Mark, I like it bloody, baby. Yeah. Hey, what? You can handle that?
This is Dominic.
Huh?
This is
You got
Chef
that?
over here, Dominic. He gonna tell you what you got here. What we got?
What we got, Chef?
All right, guys. So over here, you got a prime tomahawk. It's about 45 ounces. That's gonna be cooked medium rare. Over on the other one, I got a medium well tomahawk for y'all. Same thing. I got boudin around the side of it. A little bit of boudin over here. Some andouille sausage. Some fried alligator. Some smoked oysters. And then underneath all that's gonna be our greens, house-made remoulade, and a grain mustard for you guys.
Whoa.
You guys
Whoa,
enjoy.
whoa, where
You
we
guys
at?
enjoy. We're
Come
in
on,
Nevermind, Cape Coral, Florida.
You already
Come
know.
see us, guys. Thank you. God
Oh,
bless.
yeah, baby.
Got the smoked ribs.
Yes, sir.
Got the
Yes,
smoked ribs.
I got y'all.
Got the smoked ribs in there.
No, I'm bringing some out. I got you.
Wow.
What's up, Jeff? You got your knife?
Oh, yes, I do. We fix that car. Some meat, baby. Oh,
Get some
look at that. Oh, what are we talking about? I want that one.
You know?
Bring y'all a cock-ass knife to be cut
Stab that
That's
bitch there.
what I'm talking about. Look, I got too much fat on that one, Jeff. Hold that for me right there. Hold that for me, Jeff.
Nothing to see here, just $3,000 worth of knives cutting
I want some of this.
Yeah, exactly right. We use them. We use
Hold
them
that piece for me, Mr. Please. Thank you. There we
for
go.
the betterment of our
Yeah.
belly.
Man, they
You know what I'm saying?
vampires.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, look at that.
Hey, is this good, Jeff? Is it good view?
Oh, yeah.
Ain't no way. Y'all vampires.
Oh, look at that.
Let me cut that for you, bro. Let me cut that out for you, bro. Hold it.
Oh.
See, this how they eating at the table with
how we eat
goddamn
at the table.
knives. This how they
With
eat.
our Medford
$2,000
knives.
line,
Yeah.
man. Eat, baby. Yeah.
One bite.
You gotta get your man, that's the savage, you heard me? Eat shit bigger than your face, you heard me? Gotta be bloody, you know? Then you gotta use his own knife, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You gotta use his own knife to cut his stuff up, you know? Get you a man like that, savage.